animals doing many feats there. Elephants playing football or cricket. Did you notice? Did you see any time? Or you might have seen in pictures. Okay. So there many people were already sitting there and the show is ready to begin. Nimmo and her mother stood at the entrance. They saw ropes strung across with big safety nets below. So some small girls, they'll do different feats like gymnastic feats. They'll walk on the ropes or they'll walk with a balancing stick or a pole. So down for their safety sake, they'll keep some nets. If anybody falls also, nothing to happen. So their mother and Nimmo has seen all these nets and ropes hung there. That must be for the trapeze artists and the tightrope walkers. As I told you, a girl catching a long rod and walking on a rope. A small rope, it will be very thin rope. So those were called as trapeze artists and tightrope walkers, said Nimmo's mother. I could never walk on something so high, said Nimmo. Nimmo immediately she said, I cannot walk on a thread or a wire or a rope which is tied so high. Just then music started and the performers began to come into the ring. The elephant stood on its hind legs, clowns juggled balls, and a lion tamer made two lions climb on chairs and sit. So the performance started. First thing is the elephant stood on its hind legs. So four legs, hind legs. Without raising both the two legs, front legs up, on the hind legs it stood. And clowns means jokers will be there. So those were juggling balls. 3-4 balls at a time they will be playing with 3-4 balls they won't let the balls fall down. That is called as juggling. And a lion tamer made two lions climb on chairs and sit. So the lion tamer who gives training to the lions, he brought two lions with him and he made them to sit on two chairs. A beautiful girl stood on two horses as they galloped round the ring. So one girl, she stood on two horses. One leg on one horse, another leg on another horse. Can we do that? First of all, we are afraid of horses. There should be some good training for that. So the girl was standing on two horses and two horses were galloping round galloping means they were running around the ring. On seeing all this, Nimmo forgot about the sari and enjoyed the show. So unexpectedly, she didn't think about circus, and small girls, they'll forget the cause or reason why they went there, and there if anything different thing happens, they start enjoying. So here Nimmo is also of your time. She forgot about the sari and she is enjoying the show there. When the show was over, her mother requested the ringmaster to help them to get the dupatta out. Then mother asked after the show finished, she called the ringmaster and requested to help them in bringing back the dupatta. He readily helped them. So he was a good man. Immediately he agreed and he helped them. Nimmo was overjoyed and thanked the ringmaster profusely. Profusely means very deeply because she didn't expect a circus show. For a circus show, they have to take ticket and go. But here they came there in search of a dupatta, and she had a very good entertainment program there. So for that, she has thanked that ringmaster. They returned home then. After a few days, mother bought Nimmo a small sized sari. After a few days, mother understood that her daughter wants something. So she bought a small sari, not a big dupatta. You need not to spoil my clothes, she said. You need not spoil my clothes. Now you can play with this dupatta. She gave that dupatta, a small size sari, for Nimmo to play. Nimmo's mother said Nimmo was happy to get a sari which belonged to her only. Before, she used to play with her mother's clothes. Now, mother has presented her one sari and she said, don't touch mine and don't spoil mine, you can play with this. When it is ours, we will do anything and we need not get upset because mother presented us. Understood, children? Did you understand the lesson? Okay. This is our first lesson. For today, I am going to give you some hard words. So, write each hard word 3 times. First section, hard words. Take one 4-rule book, children, and you write neatly. So, your writing should be neat, and after writing, you need to post those pictures in our WhatsApp group. Okay? Hard word first one is dupatta. D-U-P-A-T-T-A, dupatta. D-U-P-A-T-T-A, dupatta. Next one, embroidery. So the flowers that mothers make on sarees with the colorful silk threads. E-M-B-R-O-I-D-E-R-Y, embroidery. H-U-R-R-I-E-D-L-Y, hurriedly. Very fast, in a hurry. Next one, juggled. J-U-G-G-L-E-D, juggled. Fifth one, performers. You need to write in cursive writing, children. These 5 spellings you have to study. I'll give. Sixth one is galloped. G-A-L-L-O-P-E-D, galloped. How the horses run. So, 7th one is ringmaster, who will train the animals in the circus. Realized. So these 8 are enough for you for today's homework. You have to write each one 3 times, and in the classwork, in rough book you have to write 3 times. In your 4-rule classwork you have to write 1 time as hard words. Tomorrow I will give you classwork answers. Okay children? Thank you.